Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Shubenacadie is a village located in Hants County, Nova Scotia, along the banks of the Shubenacadie River. Positioned roughly halfway between Halifax and Truro, the community has long served as an important transportation and settlement point in central Nova Scotia. Today, Shubenacadie is home to a population of several hundred residents, while the surrounding rural area adds to the broader local population. The village is known for its rich history, strong connection to the river, and its role in the development of the province. The name Shubenacadie comes from the Mi'kmaq language and is often translated as place where wild potatoes grow. Long before European settlement, the river and surrounding lands were important to the Mi'kmaq people, who used the waterways for travel, fishing, hunting, and trade. The Shubenacadie River was part of a larger network of routes connecting communities throughout Nova Scotia and remains an important cultural and historical landmark today. European settlement increased during the 18th and 19th centuries as farmers and merchants established communities along the fertile river valley. Agriculture became one of the region's most important industries, supported by productive farmland and access to transportation routes. Farming continues to play an important role in the local economy, and much of the surrounding landscape remains agricultural in character. One of the most significant engineering projects in Nova Scotia's history was the Shubenacadie Canal. Construction began during the early 19th century with the goal of creating a water transportation route linking Halifax Harbour to the Bay of Fundy through a series of rivers, lakes, and canals. Although portions of the system operated successfully, advances in railway transportation eventually reduced the need for the canal. Remnants of the project can still be found throughout the region and serve as reminders of an ambitious period in Nova Scotia's development. The village became an important transportation hub during the 19th century as roads and railways expanded through central Nova Scotia. Improved transportation connections allowed agricultural products, timber, and other goods to reach larger markets. The arrival of rail service strengthened the local economy and helped integrate the community into the broader provincial transportation network. Shubenacadie is perhaps best known today for the dramatic tidal activity of the nearby river. The powerful tides of the Bay of Fundy create a tidal bore that travels upstream through the Shubenacadie River. This natural phenomenon occurs when incoming tides force a wave against the normal flow of the river. Visitors from around the world come to witness the tidal bore and participate in tidal bore rafting, one of the region's most unique recreational attractions. The village is also home to the Atlantic Wildlife Institute and is located near the Shubenacadie Wildlife Park, one of Nova Scotia's most popular family attractions. The Wildlife Park provides visitors with opportunities to learn about native and non-native animal species while promoting conservation and education. These attractions help draw visitors to the community throughout the year. The natural environment surrounding Shubenacadie includes rivers, forests, wetlands, and farmland. Outdoor recreation is an important part of life in the area. Residents and visitors enjoy hiking, fishing, kayaking, boating, snowmobiling, and wildlife observation throughout the seasons. The changing landscape offers colorful autumn foliage, snowy winters, and vibrant spring and summer scenery. Housing demand in Shubenacadie has increased in recent years as more people seek homes within commuting distance of Halifax and Truro. The village offers a rural setting while maintaining access to major highways and services. Average house prices in the area generally range between $300,000 and $500,000, depending on the size, age, and location of the property. Larger homes and rural acreages may command higher prices. The local economy benefits from agriculture, transportation, tourism, small businesses, and services connected to the broader central Nova Scotia region. Many residents commute to larger centres for work while choosing to live in a community that offers access to nature and a strong sense of local identity. Continued growth throughout central Nova Scotia has supported investment in housing and infrastructure throughout the area. Today, Shubenacadie combines Indigenous heritage, agricultural traditions, transportation history, and natural attractions into a community that reflects many aspects of Nova Scotia's past and present. From the historic canal system to the powerful tidal bore of the Shubenacadie River, the village remains one of the most distinctive destinations in central Nova Scotia and continues to attract visitors interested in history, nature, and rural maritime life. Thanks for watching!